Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word commonplace. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Using a smartphone has become so commonplace in society that it is now considered a necessity for many people. Commonplace refers to something that is ordinary, widespread, or unremarkable, often used to describe things that are frequently encountered in everyday life. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.